Welcome back, everybody. Today, start of the show, beef ribs. I had a craving, went and bought some yesterday, so we're going to smoke them today. And let's get to it. We're going to open this up. Take the bone guard off. There we go. I don't know how much you can see there. Beautiful. So today, we're just going to salt and pepper and nothing fancy on the rub, and then get it smoking. I've got whole peppercorns. I'm just going to throw them in the spice machine and then get them down to the size I want. So like I said, salt and pepper. Make sure you get all the sides. I'm taking sea salt. Now, get those ends nice and done. There we have it. Now onto the smoker. Back outside, and here we go. Here we go. I'm going to let it go for a couple hours and come back. Okay, we're back outside. I've been outside this whole time because today it's so windy. The fire's being really temperamental. I like a challenge though. I haven't opened the door at all. So it's been an hour and a half. So let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. That's looking good. Close it back up. So I'm going to let it go probably another hour, take the temperature, and then see where we're at. Back again. Let's take the temperature for the first time. Oh yeah, that is looking good. Let's see here. 156, so I'm going to let it go a little bit longer and then wrap it. Okay, so let's take the temperature again. This wind sucks. Okay, I got it 174. Time to wrap. And welcome to Canada, everybody. It's snowing now. That's looking beautiful. Let's do that. Nice and tightly wrapped. Now back on the smoker. Welcome back inside. I took it off. Now this, like I said in another video, this is the hardest part because you just want to let it rest for, I'm going to let it 20 minutes, half an hour, and then cut it up. Back again. Time to unwrap. Oh. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see, but the bones, the meat's actually shrunk back quite a bit. There we go. This thing looks awesome, smells great. Now if you see, the meat has shrunk back off the bones, so that means they should be quite tender. Look at that, bones pull just out. And we're gonna cut this bad boy up now. Big knife. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Ow. Okay, it's still a little hot, so so good. Wow. Beef ribs, love them. I never used to eat them till before I got a smoker, but now I love doing them. Wow. I don't know if you can tell, but that is so juicy. If you've never tried it, you gotta try it. Something you gotta try. And now it's time to eat. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, hit that like button. Subscribe if you feel like it.